Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a dash cam showdown for you. In the left corner, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam, and in the right corner, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Let's get ready to compare. Alright folks, let's talk about video quality. The Vantrue N2 Pro boasts a dual lens system, capturing both the road front and inside the passenger cabin in crystal clear 1080p resolution. Perfect for all you rideshare drivers out there who need that extra evidence. On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 records 1080p video with its wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics. Both cameras deliver impressive video quality, but the Vantrue N2 Pro takes the win with its dual lens capability. Now let's shed some light on night vision. The Vantrue N2 Pro features infrared night vision with 4 IR LED lights and an f2.0 aperture. This means it can handle low light conditions and capture flawless footage even in the dark. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, on the other hand, relies on its Garmin Clarity HDR optics to enhance visibility at night. While both cameras perform well, the Vantrue N2 Pro's infrared night vision gives it the edge in this category. Time to talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N2 Pro offers a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode, automatically recording when it detects any motion around your vehicle. It's like having a personal surveillance system. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 also has a parking guard feature, which monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. However, it requires constant power and an active Wi-Fi connection. So in terms of convenience, the Vantrue N2 Pro takes the cake. Let's dive into the extra features. The Vantrue N2 Pro supports looping recording, which overwrites the oldest footage with the newest when the memory card is full. It also has a G sensor that automatically locks footage in case of a collision. Additionally, you have the option to add GPS for tracking your driving route. On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers voice control, allowing you to save videos, take pictures, and more with spoken commands. It also has a nifty feature that lets you access the camera remotely for live view monitoring. It's a tough call, but I'd say the Vantrue N2 Pro wins this round with its comprehensive set of features. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam and the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 both have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. And that's a wrap, folks. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam and the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 both have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're a rideshare driver looking for dual lens capability and infrared night vision, the Vantrue N2 Pro is your go-to. On the other hand, if you value compact size, voice control, and remote access, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 might be the one for you. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase and stay tuned for more comparisons on Buy Smart.